Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Poco M7 Pro 5G. So this phone is a good budget phone at a low price, under $200, and it has a lot of features that even some flagship phones don't have. So it has fast charging, it has 256 gigs with expandable storage, and it also has a good AMOLED display that's very bright and it's good looking. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside. So we have the case, which is not the best, but it's nice to have it. We have the phone, and we also have a fast charger, which even flagship phones don't even include any kind of charger. So the design on this phone is pretty good. It has a hole punch, just like most other Android phones, and it also has thin bezels, just a little bit thicker on the bottom and on top. So the back is plastic, which isn't as nice as the glass phones, but it has an interesting pattern which is unique. However, if you don't like it, you can just put a case on it, and that's what most people do anyways to protect it. So this phone also has IP64 rating, so you'll be a little bit protected against water splashes, but you're not able to submerge it because it doesn't have the full IP68 like other phones. So for the software, you have the Xiaomi HyperOS, which personally I like, and Xiaomi has promised 2 years of software updates, so it's not as much as other brands, but you'll still get some updates. It has 256 gigabytes of storage at the lowest option, which is a lot, so you don't have to buy the more expensive one. And if that's still not enough for you, there's expandable storage, so you'll be able to go like I think up to 1 terabyte. And it also has NFC, which is a thing to look out for in these budget phones, because some of them don't put it to save money. So the AMOLED display on this phone is really nice. It goes up to 2000 nits, so you're not going to have any problems when it goes in direct sunlight. And it's also 120 Hertz and only 1080p, but that's good enough. And it also has HDR10 Plus, so when watching movies, it's going to look better. So for the CPU, we have the 7025 Ultra, which is good for day-to-day use and a little bit of gaming. So you're not going to have any problems playing Brawl Stars and PUBG Mobile, so those games run really well. But other games like Genshin Impact, you're going to see some frame drops, but it's still playable. So the battery lasts for a long time, even with heavy use, so maybe 9 to 10 hours. And when it dies, you have a 45-watt charger to charge it quickly. So for the camera, the 50 megapixel sensor takes pretty good photos, but it struggles in low light. And also the second camera is not actually a camera, it's actually a depth sensor that's used for portrait shots. And the front camera is also decent and takes good photos. So this phone has everything most people need on a phone. It's fast, it has a good display, and it has great battery life. And you're going to save money because it's only $200. The only reason to get a more expensive phone is if you want a more reliable camera that works in all lighting conditions and that takes better quality photos. And also if you're playing more demanding games, then you should look at other phones that have more performing CPUs. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.